2025 Ford Puma, a stylish and smart compact SUV. The 2025 Ford Puma is set to redefine the compact SUV segment with its fresh design, enhanced interior, and powerful yet efficient engine options. This model builds on its predecessor's success, adding modern styling and advanced technology to appeal to urban drivers and adventure seekers alike. Sleek and sporty exterior. Ford has given the Puma a bold new look for 2025. The front fascia features a redesigned grille with a sporty mesh pattern, flanked by sleek LED headlights that now incorporate adaptive lighting for improved visibility. The sculpted hood and dynamic body lines give the Puma an athletic stance, while new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, add to its aggressive appeal. The rear gets refreshed LED taillights and a sportier bumper, further enhancing its modern and stylish appearance. Refined and tech-loaded interior. Inside, the 2025 Puma boasts a more premium cabin with high-quality materials and improved ergonomics. A new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen infotainment system provide a seamless and connected driving experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, while an upgraded sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. The Puma also offers improved seating comfort, with available leather upholstery and enhanced lumbar support for long drives. Efficient and dynamic performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Puma continues with its efficient yet lively engine choices. A 1.0-liter EcoBoost mild hybrid powertrain delivers up to 155 horsepower, ensuring a balance between performance and fuel economy. Ford may also introduce a more powerful SD variant with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, pushing over 200 horsepower. A dual-clutch automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, making city and highway driving effortless. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Ford Puma is expected to start around $28,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $35,000. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and efficient performance, the new Puma is set to be a strong contender in the compact SUV market.